Good evening, my dear friends. This is Tomal once again. Welcome to PRCUMP. The official website is prccump.org.in. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding um, filter in Excel. Look, I am writing few words, meaningful words in Excel. Let's see how they appear. So I have write down this much of items. Now you can see few things are repeated. Now if I want to make a filter of this, I clicked on this particular tool and from there filter. Now I'm saying select all, or this I unchecked the apple and banana and then clicked on OK. So see, this much of items is remaining. Again I am saying this much, so it came. This is the thing. I'm saying only sweets, so this much is thing. So in this way we make the filter. So this is my filter. I think you guys understood how this thing is works. This is PRCUMP representing Tomaldas, presenting PRCUMP, presenting filter in Excel. Official website is prccump.org.in. Email is astroman6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. Thank you for being with us and please stay there for more updates. Thank you.